I'm about to prove to you, so in less than 6 minutes of your time, I'm about to prove to you that the internet is tax-free. The internet has never been taxed. A tax has never been levied against the internet. And specifically by that, I mean domain name registrations and domain name sales. Whether it be the initial registration from the registry or a purchase from a private party. This is a screen capture or recording of my cart at GoDaddy, and when we look at the itemization, it says taxes and fees. The total taxes are $0 and 0 cents. The only thing that acts as a tax is the fee, and there is an ICANN fee of $1.62 on this purchase of everything in my cart. So when we pull up the calculator and we crunch the numbers, we find that of the $1.62 of the 111.41 total expenses, that it equates to approximately the ICANN fee equates to approximately 1.45% of the total purchase price. So the fee equates to 1.45% on this specific transaction. Now it may vary slightly from transaction to transaction, depending on the domain name, depending on the TLD, etc., depending on what its specific tax is. But the purpose of this video is to prove that domain name purchases, domain name registrations are sales tax free. So in order to purchase a domain name, you have to purchase it through an approved registrar, such as GoDaddy, 101 Domain, Name.com, etc., EURODNS. And when we look at the taxes and the fees, and we specifically go through it, it says total taxes $0 and 0 cents, and it's an ICANN fee, and it's specifically labeled a fee and not a tax, because the internet has never been taxed, and the internet is tax exempt, and that a tax has never been levied against the internet in the history of the internet. So this just is more proof to me and to you that the internet is tax free. Now, of course, you can say, well, the fee acts as a tax, but it's specifically labeled a fee and not a tax. There are no sales taxes on domain name registrations or domain name purchases. There are no value-added taxes on, or VAT taxes on domain name registrations. There are no property taxes on domain names outside of what you pay. So there are no sales taxes. The total taxes are 0. And it's not just for this transaction, but it's for all transactions. Sales taxes are inapplicable. Localized sales taxes, state sales taxes, provincial sales taxes, national sales taxes are inapplicable to a domain name registration, and that domain names are exempt from taxation. And this is my cart. This is the checkout over at GoDaddy. It doesn't indicate that there are any property taxes. It doesn't indicate any taxes at all. And when we looked up the taxes and fees, the taxes specifically are zero. So, and maybe you could argue that the internet is taxed, but it's taxed at 0%. But effectively, a zero tax effectively acts as a non-tax or untaxable or untaxed. So I'd like to thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. Thank you.